Today we are having the Greensuits from Commerce out here on a lovely day. We're standing along Ancaster Creek. Ancaster Creek is a major tributary through the Dundas Valley and flows out into Cootes Paradise, ultimately the harbor, and out into Lake Ontario. So what we're trying to do this year is restore the biodiversity of the creek and the lower area around it, to provide more habitat, more food for traditional species, flora and fauna is moving through here. Fauna especially, deer, rabbits, fox, whoever it may be, birds. We're taking up the invasive species, which outcompete the native food sources for the animals to eat, and we're planting native species.
Provide for what we need while making sure that our environment is cared for in a long-term way.
I mean, this is the future that we're making ourselves. Like, the future is the present, and we are that future, and therefore we have to work for it in the